Hello everyone, welcome to Quality Assurance demo session. About myself, my name is Ravi. I'm having 12 plus years work experience. Currently, I'm working with RRD client as a QA lead. I work with different clients in my career like AT&T, Merrill Lynch, Seralty, and a lot of clients. So today class agenda is what is quality assurance and advantages of quality assurance in software organizations, and what are the skill set required to start career as a QA, and different titles, QA job titles, and roles and responsibilities of the tester, and career benefits, and who and why to learn quality assurance, and about certifications. Okay, so what is testing basically? Testing means execution of some software with intention to find out bugs. For example, here I'm using one PowerPoint presentation, right? So I'm opening PowerPoint presentation means I'm executing some software. Means am I testing this PPT? No, I'm not testing this application. Just I'm using it because I'm the end user. Then who will test? If I'm working for Microsoft and I'm verifying this application, means in that case my intention will be different. Always I will try to find out bugs, like okay, go and click on this design and go and click on this animation and verify that each and every functionality is working fine or not. That intention will be different. Always I will try to find out the bugs, but here as an end user I'm using this application. Okay, so testing means execution of some software to find out some bugs. Okay, so what is course content? Here we design this course for according to market requirement. Okay, first we go with manual testing. In manual testing, I'm going to cover from basics to advanced level. Like most of the students are coming from non-IT background and some of the students having IT background. But to enter into the real time, first we should need some basic knowledge like what is server, what is client based application, and what is software application, different types of environment in real time like development environment, testing environment, production environment. Okay, lot of things. So first I'm going to discuss all these things, basic things. Once you guys familiar with the basic things, then I go with advanced level topics in testing, like what is test plan and what is test strategy, how to prepare reports, different things. After manual testing, I'm going to start automation testing. Here, you may have one question like what is manual testing and what is automation testing? Let me explain with some small example. Okay, for example, I'm having two wells. Each well is having 5,000 liters of water. In first scenario, I'm giving a small bucket and I said, hey, throw out all the water. So what you will do? Manually you will try to throw out all the water bucket by bucket, bucket by bucket, bucket by bucket. Here you are spending a lot of time, and at the same time you are taking some stress. By using some manual efforts you are working over here, right? In second scenario, simply I can put one motor and switch on. The motor will take care of the water, right? So here manual testing means by using some manual efforts, if we are testing the application, that is called manual testing. If we are using any third-party tool like here motor, that is called automation. So in real time we have two types of automation tools like functional testing tools and non-functional testing tools. Functional testing tool means it's going to verify the external behavior of the application. Non-functional testing tools will help us to verify the performance of the application. Okay, so functional testing tool, I'm picking Selenium here because it's market leading tool and very easy to learn. Okay, non-functional testing tool means to verify the performance of the application like load runner. Okay, we are going to discuss about load runner also. So here you are learning one functional testing tool in depth and one non-functional testing tool in depth. So here the next question is what is functional testing and what is non-functional testing? For example, I'm having one application screen like this. and I'm having two edit boxes on my application screen and one submit button. Okay, here the requirement is if user enters any numeric values in it and click on submit button, he can see the sum value like 4. Okay, so this is requirement. So as a tester, what I will do, I will enter some numeric values like 3, 2, the sum value 5 is coming up or not. I'm going to verify all these things, right? So here edit boxes are accepting values or not, submit button is working properly or not, the sum value, I mean whatever I'm expecting, it's coming up or not. Okay, I'm going to verify all these things, right? What I'm verifying here, I'm verifying the external behavior of the application. So that is called functional testing. Then what is non-functional testing? Once I clicked on submit button, my application is giving the answer, right? 4. So how much time it's taking, the speed of the application, you can call it as, performance. Okay, that is called non-functional testing. Non-functional testing means you are going to verify the performance of the application. Here you can see different types of techniques like load, stress, scalability. Here load testing means you are going to put some load on the application and going to verify the performance. How can you put the load? By increasing the user count. Okay, by using load runner tool, we can increase the load on the application server and we are going to verify the performance. Okay, so here according to the syllabus, we are going to discuss Selenium tool as a functional testing tool and load runner as a non-functional testing tool. And we are going to learn some tools like QC, Quality Center. Okay, the latest version name is ALM, Application Lifecycle Management. We are going to learn ALM also. It's a test management tool. Okay, and some bug reporting tools and some frameworks. So this is complete course content. Okay, so the output is you are learning complete manual testing and automation, both some tools like Selenium, load runner and Quality Center, and some bug reporting tools, Bugzilla, Mantis, different types of tools. Some of you guys can think I'm learning software testing. No guys, you are not learning software testing. You guys are learning QA, quality assurance. What is quality assurance? Quality assurance means it's complete process, testing process. Okay, I mean quality assurance involves, it defines, the complete process, requirement, configurations, estimations, design, everything. Okay, that is called quality assurance. So testing is part of quality assurance. See here, you guys are seeing complete process, right? Like plan and analyze, design strategies and test execution. Let me explain with a small diagram for better understanding. For example, here, this is my application. I'm going to test it. Already we discussed, right? What is testing? Testing means execution of software with intention to find out the bugs. So here I'm going to conduct some testing on the application. Then what is QA? Before going to start your testing, you need to perform some actions like test plan preparation, requirement analysis, design, test cases preparation. Lot of things you need to perform, like test data preparation, environment setup, lot of things. Once you've done all these works, then you can start your testing. Once you finish your testing, again you need to conduct retesting, regression testing, and other things like preparation of reports. Lot of things you need to perform. So the total process from scratch to end, like preparation of reports, sign off, the total process you can call it as QA, quality assurance. Means you are learning the complete process of software testing, like QA also. Okay, then what are the advantages? Why we are conducting testing on software application? Because before going to deploy the application in production, we should test it and find out all the possible bugs and fix it. Because if we left without testing any application, I mean take any application without testing, just send it to the production, then what will happen? The bugs are going to affect end users, right? For example, take railway signaling system. It's a software. We are not testing properly. It causes a lot of issues, right? It may cause death. Okay, in hospitals, ICU machines, software runs on software. If we are not testing properly, it causes death. Okay, it creates a lot of problems, all the bugs. So that's why before going to deploy the application in production, test it thoroughly and find out all the possible bugs, fix it, then deploy the code. Okay, so it gives one type of confidence on the quality, and it teaches us some lessons also. So that's why we are conducting testing on each and every software application, and we are learning some lessons, so we never do same mistakes again and again in future. Okay, so before going to release the product, test it and give maximum quality, means find out all the possible bugs and fix it. Okay, so what are the skill set required to start your career in QA? Basically, you need some core skills like technical skills, communication skills, time management, and planning skills. Let me show you one thing here. You need technical skills, domain skills, and soft skills. Soft skills means analyze the things. Okay, well, how can I analyze the things? For example, I'm traveling in a right now I'm in elevator. I'm passing through second floor. If I clicked on 3, is it going to stop? If I clicked on 1, is it go back? If I'm clicking on stop button, is it going to stop? So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to analyze the things, right? As a tester, while you are testing the application, you need to test in different ways. Okay, first improve that quality, analyze the things, and problem solving quality. If you stuck somewhere, okay, don't leave it, try to solve the issue. And communication is very important quality for the tester, because as a developer, if I get any requirement, simply I can write the code and I will give it to the tester. But as a tester, while testing the application, if I have any question, on business, I should discuss with business analyst. If I have any technical issues, then I should discuss with the developer. If I reported any bug, the developer can say, hey, it's not a bug. Then I need to explain the bug. I need to convince him. Okay, so you need to communicate a lot. So communication skills is very important quality for the tester. And think outside of the box. Like, we don't know how the end user is going to use the application, right? So not testing means not only follow the requirement and test the application. You need to test out of box, think differently, and implement different scenarios and test the application. So these soft skills are mandatory, like analytical skills, communication and problem solving quality, and think out of box. Domain skills, banking, insurance, a lot of domains you can see, right? So in our course content, while I'm teaching the testing techniques and all the stuff, I'm picking a lot of scenarios from my experience, and I'm going to explain different domains. And technical skills, for automation you need basic coding skills. Okay, I'm going to teach core Java here, like hoops, concepts, and basic things, so don't worry. And how to prepare test cases, like we are going to provide one requirement document, some scenarios, case studies. So you guys are going to work on the some case studies, and you are going to write some test cases. As a lead, I'm going to review your test cases. I will give you the comments, so you will get some real-time exposure. Okay, and agile model, the latest software development model is agile. Agile means speed. So how to involve and how to act in agile model, clearly we will discuss in the classroom. Then roles and responsibilities of the tester. So as a tester, first you should understand the requirement, analyze it, and plan for testing, and test the application, find out all the bugs. Okay, here you can see different designations like QA tester, QA lead, QA analyst, QA manager. Based on the role, the responsibilities may change. For example, as a tester, you need to perform testing like manual testing or automation and find out the bugs. Lead, I need to manage my team, work assignment and requirement analysis and attending meetings. Lot of responsibilities. Manager, management skills. Okay, so manager is going to involve high level meetings and getting the status and requirement, and he's going to discuss with the team and QA. Okay, then job titles: test lead, test manager, tester. Based on the organization, you can see different types of job titles. Okay, so based on the experience, you can see senior quality analyst or quality analyst or quality and QA lead, VV manager, verification and validation manager. A lot of job titles you can see in the real time. Then companies, all companies, not only IBM, not only Dell, not only Infosys, each and every application should test before going to release. So all the companies needs QA professionals. So always you can see hot job market. Okay, do one thing, go to any job portal and search for QA jobs. If you are finding good job count, then you can decide, right? So always you can see hot job market for the tester, because every application to test before going to release, right? Either automation or manual. So you should learn manual testing and automation testing. If you are having good hands in both, easily you can get the job. Okay, and the main question is, who can learn quality assurance? Some guys can say, hey, I'm coming from non-IT background, can I learn QA? Yes, of course. Even whatever the background, you can learn quality assurance. Good analytical skills and problem solving skills is good enough to start your career in QA. Okay, to start as a automation tester, you need to learn basic coding skills. Not like develop if you want to start your career as a developer, you need to learn a lot of logics and all the stuff, lot of languages. But here no need to learn logics and all the stuff, just basic coding skills is good enough. Okay, and if you want to start your career, already you are working as a manual tester, you want to start your career as an automation tester, you can attend this course. Why to learn quality assurance? Always you can see hot job market, you can improve the quality of the product, you can prevent the bugs, cost of software development you can reduce, a lot of advantages. So always you can see hot job market for QA. So we have different certifications in quality assurance. You can finish your certifications for good career growth. What about the salary trends? Per hour, $40 is minimum salary trend for QA. Okay, so based on the experience, based on the skills, either automation tester or manual tester, the salary will be, the growth will be different. Testing, not only is software testing, there you can see database testing, cloud testing, manual and automation testing, security testing, web services testing. Lot of testing types are available in the market. So just learn testing, you can stick with one of them. Okay, so what about the certifications? ISTQB foundation level certification you can finish in primary levels, because no need you don't have no need to any experience here. Just very simple examination. Once you finish this course, you can attend this ISTQB foundation level certifications. So it's not mandatory, but if you finish this certification, it gives some strength to your resume. Okay, so personally I can suggest ISTQB foundation level certification. So this course will help you to crack this examination based on the experience, and different organizations are offering different certifications like certified associate in software quality, certified software quality analyst, agile tester. Okay, different certifications available in the market. So for upcoming batches and complete course content, please log on to corpconsult.com and verify the, just have a look on complete course content, module wise, topic wise course content we updated in the website. Thanks for your time. Thank you.